Hello, everyone. I want to talk to you about my workshop at the upcoming 365 EduCon conference. The workshop is Modernize Your Intranet in Less Than 4 Hours. Catchy title, I know. What we'll be talking about is how to take those classic sites and make them modern, but we'll also be covering how to fully utilize those modern features. So if your intranet is classic site SharePoint based, right, then this is the workshop for you. If you are already using a modern intranet, then you also have team sites that are classic. This workshop's for you. If you are already using a modern intranet, but you want to spiffy it up a little bit, you want to learn how to use Viva connections and Viva Engage and really how to use them, do a deep dive on them, then this is the workshop for you. See a theme? We'll also be talking about how to manage and plan your sites, your hubs. What does that look like when you're planning those? How does Microsoft 365 groups play into this? How to do root swap for your sites. Do you know what that is? Come to the workshop. We'll work through it. It'll be using all live demos. We will make sure you leave this workshop with the knowledge you need to have a fantastic employee engaging experience in your modern intranet. I'd love to see you there.